Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to track Amazon orders. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to track your Amazon orders, you need to first of all go to your Amazon. Once you're in your Amazon, you need to get logged into your account. Once you have logged into your account, so now as you're logged in, you need to go to your orders section. So once you are in your orders section, you can simply go and tap open your track your package section in the order and click option. You have the scroll down menu bar where you can find your specific orders. You can simply tap on track and manage your orders, and once you're here, if you have placed an order, you can simply get your tracking numbers and codes over here. So you need to tap on see all updates for detailed tracking numbers and shipping stages. So this is how you can simply track Amazon orders. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again really soon. Thank you for watching.